Are there any product lines like decking, windows, tools that are especially popular on Long Island right now?
Absolutely. Long Island is one of Andersen's bigger sectors. Everybody's using them now. 400 series is a very popular option. Double hung casements, awnings, entry doors, Frenchwood patio doors, gliding patio doors, decking. Trex and TimberTech are leaders of their own, intuitive products. Siding, I'm going to say for the island in a whole, it's probably going to be Hardie fiber cement siding, Cedar shake are very popular options.